Good morning, everyone. Um,
Morning, sir.
any question with your previous activity? Because as what I had observed in your previous activity in the report sheet, I just saw two students actually attempted, but didn't submit. Question?
I have the file, sir.
You have the file? How about
Yes.
others? Janine, EM, Kurt. How about you, Janine? Again, it is just very simple. Um, what I want you to do is I will be sharing my screen again. Okay. Okay. What I want you to do, can you see my shared screen now? So this is your
Yes, sir.
report sheet. So what I want you to do in a short size band paper in your MS Word, you actually choose a topic under typhoons. Like for example, the one that I like for example, tropical storm or depression. Okay. So content, the discussion, what are those? Okay. Kurt, by the way, you submitted, but it is wrong, Kurt. It's different. Okay? You choose a topic, and then from typhoons or the typhoons itself, it could be an introduction. What what is that for? The topic is for the brief review of the topic, and then the content is the discussion of the topic. Problems arising out of the topic because remember that your topic usually accompanied with problems, okay, in order for you to solve. As what you have observed, if you're gonna observe your topics from grade 7 going up, those topics are accompanied with problems, okay, practical problems, and then conclusions or recommendations, like for example, declarations, like for example, the public store morning signals. So those are preparations, or those are to resolve the problem arising from the topic. Okay. Again, um, let me check na report. No. Kurt, you need to pass it in the LMS simply because you'll be graded in the LMS. As you can observe, is here in the job box. You need to pass it here in order for me to give you a grade. I cannot change the LMS. It is already programmed. Okay. So you pass it here and I will give grade to your with your outputs. Right? This is also monitored. Okay. You cannot pass in the LMS at the moment because the activity is already closed. Again, I will give you chance today. I will be opening the LMS. I'll be opening the activity in the LMS in order for you to answer your activity. Okay. I'm doing it now. I know it's hard. Yeah, I know it's hard. But you need to do it for a start. Okay. Okay. What I want you to do now is to continue with your activity. It is already open, and I'm expecting a lot from your outputs. I'll be waiting for your outputs till the end of the day also. Kurt, you need to um you need to restate your descriptions from top to bottom. And the rest, I need to check also. Even Robbie, I need to check your output. Send it in the LMS. EM, are you still with us?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll be checking your outputs at the end of the day and give you feedback after, okay? Questions with your activity?
None,
Questions?
sir.
Alright. So I'll be ending this Zoom meeting in order for you to continue with your activity. Any questions you can ask me or you can ask in the GC,
Okay, sir.
right? And with regards to this activity, this is just an introduction, okay? Don't take it seriously. This is just an introduction for you,
Okay, sir.
right? It is a practice. All right. Again, thank you for your time. I think that will be all for today. Have a nice day. I'll be waiting for your answers. Bye bye.
Bye.